My name is Suphama Jornkokgwat. Asalaha Bucha and Buddhism Lens. The Asalaha Bucha Day is one of the 16 days in Buddhism as it marks the coming into existence of the Triple Gems, namely the Lord Buddhism, his teaching, and his disciples. The day fell on the 15th day of the waking moon of the 8th lunar month June. It is an anniversary of the day on which Lord Buddha delivered the first sermon to his first 5 disciples at the Deer Park in Varanasi over 2,500 years ago. The tradition of Buddhism Lent or the annual 3-month Lent return known in Thai as เข้าพรรษา days back to the time of early Buddhism in ancient India. All Homen, Mandikan and Seth spent 3 months of the annual Lent sermon in prominent adhering. They avoid unnecessary tales during 2 periods when cops were still new for fear they might accidentally